Hi friends, recently I've designed and 3D printed this Pentagonal Prism cube, and this cube is very smooth. You can see it, and it printed very well. So today I'm going to show you how to solve this Pentagonal Prism. So let's understand the pieces. So this is centerpiece, this is also centerpiece. These all are centerpieces of second layer. These are edge pieces and these are corner pieces. So 5 edge pieces, 5 corner pieces on top layer. Similarly here you can see this is these are edge pieces, or you can call it corner pieces, and in bottom also 5 edge pieces and 5 corner pieces and 1 center piece. Also let's understand the movement. So it doesn't move like this, because you can see it cannot move from this angle. So you will have to double turn the same like this. So it works more like cuboid. So first let us scramble this. So now it is scrambled properly. So first step is we can start with the bottom layer also, and we can start with the second layer. So we'll start with second layer first. So first we'll solve the second layer. Okay, so sorry, this is brown and orange. So brown and orange will fix over here. So we will have to simply rotate this like this. So this is fixed. Okay, next is brown and red. So where is brown and red? So brown and red is here. So let's try from this side. So it will come here, and then we'll have to move it over here. Okay, so brown and red is also fixed. Next is red and golden color. So red and golden is here, but if we'll try to fix from here, it will not fix, it will be flipped. So I'll just show you. So it will be flipped. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to bring this piece all the way from here to this side, and then we'll have to fix it. Okay, so what we'll have to do is we'll have to bring this piece over here, and then here, and then we'll have to fix it. So we'll have to rotate it like this. Okay, so it has come here, and now we have to bring this piece all the way to here. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to first bring this piece over here, and then we'll bring this piece over here. So this is here. What we can do is we can bring this piece also from this angle, and we'll have to replace this too. So this is replaced, and now we'll have to undo the same what we have done. Okay, so this is done. Now we have to undo the same. Okay, so now we can see orange and brown, brown and red, red and golden. So all the colors are second layer, and now we have to fix this. This is also flipped, and this is also flipped. So what we have to do is we have to bring this piece over here and this piece over here, and then we'll have to replace both the pieces. So what we can do is we can bring this piece over here, and this golden and green piece over here. Then we'll have to bring this piece, and we have to replace both the pieces. So it is replaced, and now we have to undo the same. So what we have done, right? So okay, so now you can see both the pieces are, this piece and this piece are into opposite side, and now just we have to turn this around. So now we can see all our second layer pieces are fixed. Okay, next step is to fix the edges. So suppose if we start with black, so we have to make a star. So first we'll have to fix the edges. Okay, so here it is orange and black, which will come here. So what we'll do is we'll bring this up and replace it. It is very simple, and this is fixed. Okay, next is black and red. So that we have to fix over here. So we'll take this out of the way, and first we'll bring this up and replace it with red and black, and bring this down. Okay, so this is fixed. Next is black and golden. So black and golden is also here. So what we'll do is we'll take this out of the way, and we'll bring this layer up, replace it with black and golden, and bring this back. So this is fixed. next is green and black. So green and black is here. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to fix brown and black over here. So we'll bring this up and we'll replace brown and black and bring this down. So this is fixed, and now this green and black is on top. So we'll have to replace it with this yellow and red. So we'll bring this up and replace it with this and bring it down. Okay, so all our edges are now fixed. Okay, next step is to fix the corners. So first we have this corner on top, that is black, red and brown. So what we'll do is we'll bring it on top, and now we'll have to use cuboid algorithm. So you can see this red, this is red size, red center. So this red side will come here, this brown side will come here, and this black will come in bottom. Okay, so what we'll have to do is we'll have to swap this two. So it is 2R U, 2R UI, 2R. So this is fixed. This also is swapped. So don't worry, we can fix it, but hold it from here only. We do not have to move from this side. Okay, next is brown, orange and black. So we have to fix this corner over here. So we'll have to swap this two. So again 2R U, 2R UI and 2R. Okay, so this is also fixed. Next is black, golden and green. So black, golden and green should be here. So we'll have to swap this two. So 2R U, 2R UI, 2R. Okay, so this is fixed, but this is also swapped. So again we'll fix one more corner and it will be into its correct position. Okay, so this is black, red and golden. So okay, so we have to fix this red, black and golden over here. So 2R U, 2R UI, 2R. Okay, so now we can see this is also into its correct position. Okay, now we are left with last corner. This is very tricky. If we place this corner directly, what will happen is this middle layer will be swapped. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to first fix the random corner, any corner you can fix. So this will be swapped, and then we'll have to fix this corner, so it will be into its correct position. Okay, so what we'll do is 2R U, 2R UI, 2R. Okay, so now we can see this is swapped, and now we'll place the correct corner. So again it will be swapped and it will be into its correct position. So 2R U, 2R UI, 2R. Okay, so and now we can match with the second layer. So our two layers, first and second layers, are solved. Okay, for third layer what we'll have to do is first we'll have to fix the we have to make this star or fix the edges. So first we'll see which all edges are into its correct position. So let's see if, okay, I think all edges are into its correct position. I'll show you cases where you need to fix the edges. Okay, you might get this situation wherein one edge piece of top layer is into its correct position and all other edges are not. So you can see these all edges are not into its correct position except one. So what we have to do is I'll show you one algorithm that will move three edges so into counterclockwise. So this edge will come here, this edge will come here, and this edge will come here, and these two edges will not move. They will be in their existing position only. So what we have to do is we have to rotate these pieces in such a position that we should have at least two edges. So this is correct position. This also we want this edge also into its correct position. So we want two edges into its correct position, and then we can rotate 3 cycle and we can solve this. So what we can do is we will bring this, which is solved one, into back side, and we can try these 3 edges to rotate. So now we can see this is golden, and this is red, and this is green. So we will have to do 2 cycles to bring this green and yellow over here, and then we'll have a situation wherein two edges are opposite of each other and not adjoining. So first let me show you the algorithm. So the solved one is on back right, and we have to perform this algorithm. So we have to do 2 cycles to reach this green over here. So it is 2R, 2U, 2R, U, 2R, 2U, and 2R. Okay, so this is one cycle, one more cycle because it reached here, green and yellow. Now one more cycle, it will come here. So again we'll do the same algorithm, 2R, 2U, 2R, U, 2R, 2U, and 2R. Okay, so now we can see this green and yellow is into its correct position, and we had this brown and yellow. So now we have 2 edges which are into its correct position, and these 3 edges we need to rotate. Okay, so again we'll have to do 2 cycles, I think. Yes, so this orange will come here in first cycle, this golden will come here, and this red will come here. So in 2 cycles all edges will be into its correct position. So, and we have to hold it like this, wherein one edge, correct edge, it should be in front, and one correct edge should be on right back. And 2R, 2U, 2R, U, 2R, 2U, and 2R. Okay, one more cycle we have to do, 2R, 2U, 2R, U, 2R, 2U, and 2R. Okay, so now you can see all the edges are into its correct position. You may get the situation wherein 2 edges are next to each other, which are solved. So in that case also you need to do one thing. One edge which is solved one should be on back side, so that will not be affected, that will not be changed, and this 3 will change. So either this side or this side, whichever will be the adjoining edge piece which is solved, will get rotated, and then you can have only one edge, and then you can follow the steps which I showed you. Okay, so now our edges are solved. So next step is to fix the corners. Okay, so for corners there is one long algorithm which will basically swap the corners. So let's say if this is golden and red, which should be here, so this 2 needs to swap. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to bring upside down like this. We need to swap this 2. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to first do it from here. I mean, it should be in back, in downside, and 2R, this is our position, U, 2R, U, 2R, UI, 2R, 2 UI, 1, 2, again 2R, 2U, 1, 2, 2R, U, 2R, UI, again 2R, UI, and 2R. So now we can see this 2 are swept into its correct position, but this is also disturbed, this is swept, and the top layer is also disturbed, but don't worry, but we have to hold it like this only, we don't have to change the position. Now we need to check which all corners we need to swap. So we need to swap these 2 corners. So this green and orange should be here, and this golden and green should be here. So these 2 need to swap. So again we'll do the same algorithm. So 2R, U, 2R, U, 2R, UI, 2R, 2 UI, 2R, 2U, 2R, U, 2R, UI, 2R, UI, and 2R. And now we need to just match the layers. So now you can see our cube is solved. So if you have any query, you can message me. Thank you very much.